What if just $10 a day could change your life? Put that small amount to work and let time and compound growth do the heavy lifting. In 10 years, your daily tens could grow to about $52,000. Keep going, and 25 years could mean nearly $300,000. Small
$10 a day may not look like much, but invest it consistently and let it compound, and the results can be dramatic. After 10 years, your stack could grow to over $55,000. 2 decades, more than $170,000, and by 30 years, nearly $500,000.
Want your money to work harder? Here are 3 smart options. 1. Low-cost index funds. They track the market and have averaged about 8% a year. 2. Micro-investing apps. They round up spare change and invest it automatically. Great for getting started. Start building today.
What if you skipped the latte and sent that $10 to your future instead? One small choice today can grow into long-term freedom tomorrow. $10 invested now could become thousands later. And it starts with a single tap.
Just $10 a day can change your future. In 10 years, that habit grows to about $75,000. Keep going 20 years and you're near $500,000. Stay invested for 30 years and that same $10 a day can blossom into over $1.6 million. That's the power of compound growth.
Here's a simple checklist to make your savings work harder. 1. Automate. Set up recurring transfers so money moves to savings without you thinking about it. 2. Track. Watch the balance grow and stay motivated. 3. Don't withdraw. Keep it locked and let compounding do the work.
Imagine watching your money grow while you sip your morning coffee. With easy, automated investing, your goals can get closer every day. It's simple, secure, and built to work in the background so you can focus on what matters. Start today. Make your money